Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable auto translation in WhatsApp chats on iPhone. If you chat with people in a different language, WhatsApp can now translate messages instantly. First, update the WhatsApp app to the latest version from the App Store. First, update WhatsApp to the latest versions from the iPhone. Auto translation is only in new builds. Next, open the WhatsApp and then go to settings and then go to chats. Next, look for translate message and toggle it on. Now this only works on the latest versions of iOS. If you are on the older versions, this will not work. When you receive a message in another language, you'll see a small translate option under it. Tap it and WhatsApp will instantly show you the translation in your preferred language. You can also long press any messages, tap more, then choose to translate if auto prompt does not appear. Safety tip: translations are handled by WhatsApp built-in tool, so avoid copying and pasting sensitive messages into third-party apps. Quick fix: if you don't see the option, update iOS to the latest version, then update WhatsApp. If it's still missing, change your app language to English or US under iPhone settings, general, language and reason. Translation features often roll out there first. Subscribe for more quick fixes.